Here's how you can keep your Microsoft Teams status always available. First, open Microsoft Teams and create a dummy meeting. You can do this using either the Teams website or the desktop app. Start by creating a new meeting and generating the meeting link. Once the meeting is created, copy the link so you can join it. Next, open the meeting link and join the meeting. To keep your status showing as available, click on your profile icon in Microsoft Teams. From the status options, select Available. This changes your status from the automatic in a call status back to available while you remain connected to the meeting. You can then leave the Teams meeting window running while you continue working on other tasks. As long as you're connected to the meeting, this method can help keep your Teams presence active instead of automatically changing to away when you're not interacting with the app. Keep in mind that Microsoft Teams can still update your status based on your account settings, activity, organization policies, or changes to the app. That's all for this video. Thanks.